I'm 3 on Your Side's Gary Harper. As we all continue to grapple with social distancing, what do you do if somebody knocks on your door, like a neighbor or maybe a delivery person? Well, Consumer Report says there is a way to handle that. Brandon Murphy's video doorbell was a car saver when it captured his neighbor's vehicle being stolen in the middle of the night.
The neighbor said his car got stolen. So the first thing I thought, well, we saved 5 days worth of camera feeds off of the smart doorbell. Sure enough, it was on there.
Because they were able to confirm the car was stolen, their neighbor worked with local police and was able to retrieve the car with absolutely no damages found. And Brandon's not the only homeowner benefiting from video doorbells. In fact, video doorbell global sales are predicted to grow to $1.4 billion by 2023. Not only can video doorbells help with the security and peace of mind of homeowners, but when synced up with smart speakers like an Amazon Echo or Google Home, you can now answer your door while keeping a safe distance using just your voice.
Hi, Renata. Come on in.
So how do you set up a hands-free front door experience? Consumer Report says the best thing to do is to keep it in the family.
There are video doorbells that claim they work with digital assistants, but they might not offer all the features. To ensure compatibility, just stay within the same product ecosystem or product family.
If you're a Google Home user, Consumer Reports recommends the Nest Hello video doorbell paired with the Google Nest Hub Max smart speaker. As for Amazon smart speaker owners, Consumer Reports says a perfect pairing is the Ring Video Doorbell 3 and the Amazon Echo Show. Once you're all set up, you'll be able to talk to visitors from even the furthest point of your home. And when it comes to installing your video doorbell, make sure you always use two-factor authentication to protect yourself. I'm Gary Harper, 3 on Your Side.